How to get cash from Sezzle virtual card. Open the Sezzle app and log in to your account. Go to the virtual card section in the app. Check your available spending limit on the virtual card. Note that Sezzle virtual card cannot be used to withdraw cash directly. Try to use the virtual card for online purchases, where Visa is accepted. Consider adding the virtual card to a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Attempting cash withdrawal from an ATM will be declined. Do not try to transfer the virtual card balance directly to your bank. Avoid using the card in ways not approved by Sezzle. Use the card to make purchases at supported online or in-store merchants. Pay for items in full or using Sezzle's payment plan. Track your spending and payment schedule in the app. Make timely payments to avoid fees, and keep account in good standing. Contact Sezzle customer support if you need clarification on virtual card usage. Thank you for watching.